Ang tagal po. Purchase namin almost 40 minutes.
1 hour.
1 hour pala. Binigyan niya kami ng discount na $50 for waiting an hour. Para gumana. Ayun. Ito na po. Ang aming drone. At camera. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ano po? Nakagala. Welcome back po sa aking channel. Today po titingin po tayo ng GoPro na Hero 9 and the Mavic Air or Mini Mavic 2 dito po sa Best Buy. Ito po mga gala. See you po there. Sa ano, sa disabled meron po kami free parking ticket. ito kami. Yan, dito na po kami. Best Buy. Yan po siya sa Rainbow and One Spring. Ito po sa Arroyo Crossing. Tama si bossing na uniforme rin. Nurse, alalay.
We're gonna have to do, if we want to get it, we gotta do it all.
Doon mga kamarado. Yan.
You guys have the Best Buy credit card, I'm assuming? So you guys can at least get the 12 months of the rewards.
Rewards. Oh, babayad kami. Bili ako ng GoPro 9 tsaka ng DJ Mavic 2.
Okay, with the drone, if you return the drone within 15 days, there is a restocking fee of 15%. Okay, this is how you sign there and hit enter. Alright. Now, did you want to add the protection plan on your GoPro or on your drone?
How much?
It's 2. Okay, so for your GoPro, it's 2 years for 43 or 4 years for 80. They have 2 of them.
Okay. Oh, alam nila.
Go.
And on the drone, it's 2 years for 195. Okay. You have 15 days to put that on there. Keep in mind, after 15 days, we can't service these without plans, okay? Phone number?
725.
Thank you. Thank you. It's good to have you confirm down there if that's the right information. Using your Best Buy card, so hit right there, use my card. Perfect. Then you're gonna receive text messages on sales and promotions. $45 in rewards, or do you want to do 12 months, no interest?
You want me to do the rewards or the 12 months?
How does it go with the rewards?
So the rewards will be $45. You'll get it in about 7 to 14 days in your email to use. But after 30 days, your items will start getting interest on them.
Oh.
If you choose the 12 months, you won't get the rewards, but you won't have interest for 12 months. It'll be like same as cash.
So we'll just do the 12 months, so you don't have to pay any interest. Because you
Just
cannot
in case
pay
you
it
don't
like
pay it off in 3 days. Yep, go ahead and hit 12 months. Okay. This your first purchase on your card?
Yeah.
Okay. So this trying to have me call the merchant to get approval. Is it okay if you guys are okay with me calling?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Just take a few seconds.
So if over 1,000, they need to call the like that.
I don't know. Because it's your first purchase?
Second time, valid.
You have your card?
Thank you. Po. Ay, bossing. Hindi kami ng camera, saka ng drone. Nainit na po kasi hindi na po pwede yung cellphone. Pag na-expose sa heat, nag-overheat. Turn up. Hintay kami ng approval. First purchase po sa card na ginaan ko, credit card. Meron po parang ganun. Kailangan to make sure na ako yung nag-purchase. Need to call the credit card provider. Tayo sa Best Buy. We have a lot of stopping. Get my cables. TV. Home tellers. QLED. Look how skinny it is. Okay. Paka-skinny na. Nipis na. Ano? Sony po siya. Presyo yan. Oh, mas mura.
right, bud?
Just looking. Yeah. Okay na? Dito na. Hey.
$83.73. 73. Yes. There is. Okay. They want to see you.
Hello? Yes. Main concern, I purchased a camera and a drone here at Best Buy, and the amount is 1,083 and 73 cents. But they said, what's that? On the merchant.
Oh, then we have to call in.
Yeah, we need to call in. So
What is he asking you for?
just to make sure that it's me, maybe the one that for safety or for security. Okay, you okay, you wanna, oh, you're gonna put me on hold? Okay.
Can I put you on hold?
Washing machine, camera, car stereo, speakers. Sarap mamili dito. Ayun ako malayang pera. iPhone. Still here at Best Buy.
Oh my god, we're 1 hour.
Almost an hour now. Waiting.
That's what I'm buying it. Yeah. Okay, so after they inserted their card, almost 40 minutes ago, it popped up and said, call the merchant. Okay. Call the merchant. Okay. The guy told me, I don't know if you're not, he told me that the payment went through as well as the hold. And I was like, it went through. He was like, so hit cancel. And I was like, no, if I hit cancel, it's not going to be back to the screen. He said, hit cancel. Don't hit resubmit because then it process the payment again. So I did. But they already have the payment and also the revenue. Basically, I'm asking, I've had this potential and then well, not really.
I mean, that's all through the bank. So,
Only because
did it print out a receipt?
no, I'm saying is there anything to do because since it's been sitting here for 3 minutes, and they're like, leave it as now. Yeah, sure. I'm like, I've never done anything with this one.
You're telling me this guy, whoever you talked to, he said that it's like pending for us?
No, so it was they said it's possible there is.
50? Ayan. Ang tagal po. Purchase namin almost 40 minutes.
1 hour.
1 hour pala. Binigyan na kami ng discount na $50 for waiting an hour. Para gumana ng $50 per hour.
He doesn't know what he's doing.
Yun the guy?
Yeah, he said
Yeah.
he's a new guy.
Yeah.
That's why.
Yung call center po. I don't know where it is, but it sounds like sounds like I don't know where it is. Pasensya lang po, pasensya. Yan talaga. Charge experience yun nila. Ayun. Ito na po. Ang aming drone. At camera.
Balawan na po.
Yeah. What are we going to buy? What are we gonna buy food? Ayun o. Best Buy. Susi. Magic key. Pizza? Oh my god.
It likes pizza. I don't like it.
Oh my god. Yun po. Yun po guys, unboxing nitong mga ano, pinamili. Isang oras na abot. Yun po guys. Thanks for watching po. Maraming salamat po. Good vibes lang po tayo palagi. Kahit po gano'n mga may nangyaring hindi natin na
Pag
in-expect.
gutom ka na, gusto mo na mag-aari. Gutom na ako.
Gutom na nagigat yung bulati sa tiyan. Yun po guys. Thank you po. Good vibes lang po palagi. Bye. Hanggang sa susunod po. Bye.